With increasingly diversified low-altitude security missions, Turgeon has launched the new generation drone detection equipment UD3, supporting fixed, vehicle-mounted and portable deployment. Featuring ultra-low power consumption and multifunctional integration, it meets the demands for full scenario, high-precision and rapid deployment security applications. For key sites airspace security, UD3 can be deployed permanently as a fixed monitoring device. In mobile patrol missions, UD3 can be installed on vehicles and powered by vehicle power supplies, building mobile monitoring areas even at high speeds. Integrated with spectrum detection, RID, monitoring and FPV image analysis functions, UD3 realizes low-altitude detection, identification, localization and tracking all in one, with a maximum detection range of 5 kilometers. For large-scale events and daily law enforcement, it can be carried by personnel with backpack accessories and powered by portable power banks to ensure long-lasting battery life. To meet the lightweight demand for security services, the matched low-altitude monitoring, WeChat mini program, and mobile app are compatible with mainstream mobile operating systems. Users can check real-time low-altitude monitoring status and drone locations on mobile phones and navigate to target positions with one click. As a brand new lightweight product, UD3 serves as an innovative security solution for high-value areas such as business parks, villas, and hotels to prevent privacy intrusion and unauthorized surveillance. Having passed a series of rigorous tests, TD3 maintains high reliability under extreme harsh environments, including severe cold, intense heat, rain, and snow, perfectly fitting field operations, border control, and other official services. Boasting an ultra-lightweight body and ultra-low power consumption design, UD3 delivers excellent deployment flexibility and wide scenario adaptability. It can also be easily mounted on light vehicles such as motorcycles and electric scooters, enabling instant patrol and on-site disposal and greatly boosting emergency response efficiency and coverage flexibility. It provides all-weather and all-dimensional intelligent protection for your airspace safety.